Yes, dear students, let us read this question. A train 280 meters long is running at a speed of 42 km per hour. The length of the train is 280 meters and its speed is 42 km per hour. How much time it take to pass a man standing on a platform? Please pay attention here. Suppose a man is standing here and the train is passing. So if this is the engine and this is the tail, so when the train has started passing, it will move ahead, and when the train leaves its tail from the man, then we can say that the train has passed the man. And during this process, actually the train is covering its own distance. That means for passing a man, the train is covering 280 meters length here. So see here, actually let us see the speed. Length of the train is given in meter and the speed is given in 42 kilometers per hour. So first of all, let us see how we can solve this. Speed is given as 42 kilometers per hour. So here distance is how much? Distance is equal to 42 kilometers. That means 42,000 meters. And time is given as 1 hour. That means it is 3600 seconds. Okay. Now see here, we are talking about the distance and time. How much time it takes to pass a man standing on a platform? Actually see, by what speed the train is moving. It is moving at a speed of 42 km per hour. And while passing the man, it is covering the distance of 280 meters. So we have to find out what time is it required to move that particular man. See, for 42 kilometers it is taking 3600 seconds. So for 280 meters how much time will it take? That means for less length it will take less time, for greater length it will take greater time. This is the case of direct variation. For direct variation. So if we take the length as P and time as Q, then see here, this is P and this is Q. So actually what is known to us? We know that 4200 meter is covered in 3600 seconds. 42,000 meters is covered in 3600 seconds. Now if you need to cover 280 meters, how much time will it take? Now this is the case of what? Direct proportion. So P and Q vary directly. That means 42,000 by 3600 will be equal to 280 by your unknown number. So this implies 42,000 into your unknown number will give you 3600 into 280. So your unknown number will be equal to 3600 into 280 divided by 42,000. Cancel the 3 zeros from the 3 zeros in the what? Numerator. Now see, 42 and 28 both are in the table of 7. So 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are 42, and this one is 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. So this will be 24, that is seconds, because see, we are taking time as Q and this time is taken as seconds. So we are getting 24 seconds. So how much time it takes to pass a man standing on the platform? Here the train will pass a man standing on the platform In how many seconds? In 24 seconds. So this is your answer. Now let us go through this question, dear students. A train 350 meter long crosses an electric pole in 28 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. First of all, let us try to understand that here the train is 350 meter long, which is crossing an electric pole in 28 seconds. Now what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? Now first of all, since the question is asked in kilometer per hour, we have to see that this should be changed into kilometers. So first of all, try to understand, if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, this implies 1 meter will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 350 meters will be equal to 350 by 1000 kilometers. Okay. Now 1 hour will be equal to how much? 3600 seconds. This implies 1 second will be equal to 1 by 3600 hours. So this is what we need to change this one, because we need the speed in kilometer per hour. Now see, if length is taken as P and time is taken as Q, then what is going to come here in the table? Let us see. This is your P and this is your Q. Length is taken as P. What is your length here? Your length is 350 by 1000 kilometer. This is given in 350 by 1000 kilometers. Your train is running at a speed of 28 seconds, means now 28 seconds means it will be 28 by 3600 hours. 28 by 3600 hours. Now if you want to find the speed of the train means what? In 1 hour, how much distance is it covering? Okay, in 1 hour, how much distance is it covering? See, speed of the train in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour means in 1 hour, how many kilometer it is moving. So this is what? This is the case of direct variation. See, 350 meters, 28 seconds. Larger the length, larger will be the time taken. So here P and Q vary directly. So 350 by 1000 whole by 28 by 3600 will be equal to your unknown number divided by 1 hour. So how will you find this? First you simplify this one. 350 by 1000 into, this will become 3600 by 28. So 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. This is equal to unknown number by 1 hour. So see here, this is 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So you are getting 9 5s are 45. So this means 45 by 1 is equal to your unknown number by 1. This implies your unknown number is equal to 45. This unknown number was what? It was your length and it was in kilometer. So this will come to be as 45 kilometer. So 45 kilometer you are getting the length for what time? 1 hour. So speed is equal to distance by time. So your distance was 45 kilometer and time was 1 hour. So speed will be 45 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the train is 45 kilometer per hour.